Get ready to be amazed because this new is officially taking over the internet. Hold on a second. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it performs flawlessly. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it works better than anything else in the market. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly hands down incredible for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it's completely gone. Get ready to be amazed because this new is officially taking over the internet.